In here, down right there. There she is. That is the VVT spool valve, otherwise known as Honda's VTEC power. It's what controls the oil flow into the camshaft. And I've replaced this valve cover gasket. It is not leaking. The leak is coming from up here, and it's pouring down. And it is going down that way. And it is going down that way. And my wife says it smells like it's going to explode, which is generally a problem. No, what you're thinking, it's that valve cover. I thought it so too, but I've washed it, and there's oil accumulating right there, and it's driving me insane. And I'm going to take that valve off, and I have new gaskets for it, and I'm going to replace it, and I'm going to make it stop leaking, or I'm going to burn the car to the ground. It's been a very good van for the last 5 years. I've put no real money into it. Starter, alternator, and some tires. And aside from this oil leak, which is kind of bad because it's been let go for a little while, this van's been in really good condition. So, I know what kind of a pain in the butt it is to take the entire intake manifold off to replace both valve cover gaskets, which are not leaking anymore. So, I'm going to dig in there. I'm going to pull that spool valve off, and I'm going to prove to myself that that's the leak, and it's not the valve covers I already replaced, because if it is, I'm burning the car down right after I call the insurance company and make sure it's got full coverage.